Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing that frustrating message failed to send error on Discord so you can get back to chatting with your community. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The most common reason for that red text is a momentary dip in your internet connection. We need to force a quick reconnect to clear the blockage. If you are on mobile, swipe down from the top of your screen to open your quick settings. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds to ensure all radio signals are completely cut off. Tap the icon again to turn it off and let your phone reconnect to Wi-Fi or data. Once you are back online, go to the failed message in Discord and tap the red retry icon to see if it goes through. If your internet is fine but messages still won't send, it is very likely that Discord's own servers are having a hiccup. Open your web browser and navigate to discordstatus.com. This is the official page where they report outages. Look for the section labeled API or Gateway. If you see yellow or red bars instead of green, that means the problem is on their end. In this case, there is nothing you can do but wait a few minutes for them to fix it. Finally, if only one specific message is failing, it might be an issue with what you are sending or where you are sending it. Check to see if you are trying to send a file that is too large, over 25 megabytes for free users, as this will instantly fail. Also, look at the channel settings. If you see a slow mode timer or a read-only icon, you might simply not have permission to post there. Try sending a simple test message to a different friend via direct message. If that works, the issue is definitely with that specific server's permissions, not your app. And that's it. You now know how to troubleshoot those failed messages and get your chat flowing again. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.